About 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system was a cloud of dust and gas known as solar nebula. What happened was gravity collapsed the material onto itself as it began to spin, forming the sun into the center of the nebula. Small particles drew together, bound by the force of gravity into larger particles.
The accretion theory says that Earth and other terrestrial planets are formed from meteoric material. This happens from a cloud of gaseous material and dust compressed to form an accretion disk, which serves as a catalyst for the formation of the sun and the rest of the galaxy. As small bits of this matter are attracted to an object and stick to it, becomes bigger and bigger and eventually becomes planets and stars.
This theory was saying that dust grains in the solar nebula formed condensation nuclei around matter which began to accumulate. This vital step greatly hastened the critical process of forming the first small clumps of matter. Once these clumps formed, they grew rapidly by sticking to other clumps. As the clumps grew larger, their surface areas increased, and consequently the rate at which they swept up new material accelerated. They gradually grew into objects of pebble size, baseball size, basketball size, and larger.
The nebula theory explains the formation of the solar system. According to the nebula theory, the sun and all the planets started as one giant cloud of molecular gas and dust. 4.75 billion years ago, something made that cloud collapse, causing dust and gas to gather in denser regions. These regions began to pull in more matter, heating and rotating. The majority of this material formed into a ball and made the sun. The leftover material formed into a planetary disk. The other planets began to form from gradual accumulation of the disk.